Okay, go.
This is me. This is here. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Can I let the light shine on me? Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
Woohoo! Say thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, fan.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, fan. Thank you, fan.
Thank you.
Oh, isang malakas na song pa.
This is me.
Sa other song naman. Iba namang song.
This is me.
Ibang song. Sige na, bilis.
This is me.
Wait.
This is me.
Ay, ay may kinakasalo. Hello, congratulations. Okay, that's it. Oh, your turn.
What?
Your turn. Bilis, you sing.
A different one?
A different one. A different song.
This is my own song.
Okay.
Wait. I don't know me because know me. That's my new song.
Oh, did you made it up?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, you
My
sing.
new song.
Okay, you sing your new song. The one that you made it up. So Tito Ray can see it in the Facebook. And everybody can see it. Tita Arlene, ganyan. Sila Tita Joanna, Tita Karen. Hey.